Imagine a sunny morning, the birds are singing, the sweet scent of flowers fills the air, and you, comfortably seated on your terrace with a cup of coffee in hand, are watching your freshly mowed lawn. How is that possible? You might be wondering, you didn't even lift a finger to maintain that patch of greenery. It's the dream of every garden owner, and that's exactly what the wireless lawnmower LANDXCAPE LX799 offers you. The LANDXCAPE LX799 is perfect for garden owners with up to 300. Who are looking for an automatic, convenient, and hassle-free mowing solution. Ideal for those who want to enjoy a pristine lawn without spending time and effort on it. The LANDXCAPE LX799 lawnmower is much more than just a gardening gadget. It's a technological revolution that transforms the way we maintain our green spaces. Designed to cover an area of up to 300. This little technological gem adapts to all garden layouts, even the most complex. You have narrow passages? No problem. Thanks to its patented mowing technology, the LX799 easily navigates everywhere, even in the most hard-to-reach places. So, don't miss the opportunity to click the link in the description to see the hundreds of customer reviews, testifying to its impressive quality, and to order your robot mower at the best price to revolutionize your daily life. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel to discover our daily selection of the best products for your home. This lawnmower robot is not just efficient, it's also incredibly easy to use. Forget about long, complicated programming sessions. With the LANDXCAPE LX799, all you have to do is press a button to start mowing. Once the job is done, it automatically returns to its charging station. One less worry for you. Plus, when the battery is almost drained, the robot knows and returns to its base by itself to recharge. No more breakdowns in the middle of the garden. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. Equipped with safety sensors, lift, and tilt features, as well as a collision detector, the LX799 stops immediately if it detects an obstacle or if someone tries to lift it, so you can let your kids play in the garden with peace of mind while the robot does the work. Plus, adjusting the cutting height is done in the blink of an eye with just a simple button. You can adjust the mowing height to your preferences in no time. Click the link in the description to learn more about these unique features. See the hundreds of reviews left by these satisfied customers and order yours right now. The LANDXCAPE LX799 is also equipped with a digital display for setting and programming the pin code. This feature ensures that only you can control your robot, adding an extra layer of security to your device. And don't worry about the wear and tear on the blades. The robot's forward and backward rotation cuts the blade replacement time in half, thus extending their lifespan. Let's move on to the accessories. When you buy the LANDXCAPE LX799, get everything you need for immediate setup and use. A hex key, 2 distance gauges, 3 blades and 3 screws, a charger, a 20V lithium-ion battery, a charging station with 7 screws to secure it, 130 staples, and 100 meters of boundary wire. You're all set to transform your garden into a perfectly maintained space without any extra effort, weighing only 12 kilo, and with compact dimensions of 51.1 x 35.6. 35.6 is 21.5. The LANDXCAPE LX799 is compact, automatic, 16-sympted width, 3150 RPM. Its black, yellow, and red color adds a touch of modernity and style to your gardening equipment. It operates automatically with a cutting width of 16 centimeters and a maximum speed of 3150 revolutions per minute, ensuring a clean and precise cut every time. And the best part is that the LANDXCAPE LX799 is available at the best price by clicking the link in the description. You'll also find hundreds of customer reviews to help you make your decision. Also, by subscribing to this channel, you'll discover the revolutionary products that will change your daily life. Every day, carefully selected for you. In terms of performance, the LANDXCAPE LX799 does not disappoint either. It perfectly balances power and efficiency. Even on slopes of up to 25 degrees, you can count on it to keep your lawn pristine, no matter the conditions of your terrain. Additionally, with a charging time of just 210 minutes and a mowing runtime of 70 minutes, your garden will be maintained quickly and efficiently. Now let's summarize its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, ease of use. No need for complex programming. A simple press of a button is all it takes to start mowing. Advantage number 2, automatic return. The robot automatically goes back to its charging station when the battery is low. Advantage number 3, enhanced safety. It has a safety sensor to prevent accidents and reduced blade wear, thanks to its forward and backward rotation. Advantage number 4, compact and lightweight. With its compact dimensions and weight of 12 kilos, it's easy to handle and install. Advantage number 5, extended coverage. Designed for lawns up to 300 met series, it easily crosses narrow passages and manages slopes to the point of inconvenience. Limited surface area, not suitable for large lawns over 300 meter. Disadvantage number 2, dependence on the cable. Although it is wireless for mowing, it requires a cable for charging, which can limit installation flexibility. From the station, in summary, the LANDXCAPE LX799 is the ideal solution for anyone who wants a lawn that is always immaculate without spending time and effort on it. Its ease of use, advanced features, and unmatched performance make it an essential ally for your garden. So, why keep exhausting yourself with a manual mower when you can embrace LANDXCAPE technology? To learn more and see hundreds of customer reviews, click the link in the description. To order at the best price and transform your gardening experience starting today, happy mowing and have a great summer!